Hello friends, welcome back. So guys, today's session we will discuss. I'll show you how to install the Postgres edition 15. So Postgres SQL edition already uploaded on the browser. If you want to install the new edition, so I'll teach you how to install. So very first you can open your browser and type PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL. So very first you can see the link is available. Just click on this particular link and here once you click on this link, then let me show you the way how you can download. So again I'll open it in another browser, PostgreSQL download. Okay, click on this link and here you can see the particular operating systems are available. So I'm looking for the Windows operating system, so just select it. Now, as I said earlier, the PostgreSQL version 15 already available on the browser. So I am looking for this 15 edition. So very first we require installer. So click on the download the installer option. Then here the versions are available, operating systems are available, and Windows x86 64 is available. Okay, so if you want to download this complete setup, then click on this particular icon. So once you click on this icon, I already downloaded it. So let me show you. This exe will download. So I already downloaded it. So just click on this particular file. Okay. So this page will open. Okay. So quickly I'll show you. So once you double click on this particular setup, then click on next. Here you can select the installation directory. If you want to change, you can change. And these components are available. Select all those component and then click on next. Here you can select your data directory and then click on next. Here you can set the password, but please remind that this password is required to once you download your PostgreSQL. After that, we require this password. So you need to keep in mind this password as well. Okay. So I'm just setting my password. Okay, I think I did mistake. Let me try again. Okay, then click on next. Let me show you, this is a port number, this is by default. Click on next. After that, here we can select the locally, but I'll keep by default one, default locally. Then click on next. Here you can see the following settings will be used for the installation, all these things. Then click on next. After that, guys, this setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL on your computer. Then click on next. So it will take some time to install. After so here also we required a one graphical user interface GUI to perform the database related option. So PostgreSQL having the pgadmin4 setup, so we require a pgadmin4. So just type pgadmin4 here. So it will take some time till the time we'll download it, pgadmin4. So here the link is available, download pgadmin4, and here you can click on this particular option. So it will download. Like once you click on this particular option, here pgadmin4 exe is available. Okay. So once you click on that, it will download. So I already downloaded it. Let me show, like let quickly I'll check it is available or not. So this is my exe. Just double click, select install mode, install for me, and click on next. So here you can see all the setups. I accept the agreements, click on that, click on next. This is installation location, click on next. So quickly I'll check for another folders. So our installation we did for local installation directory. and you can select this option. So guys, here the select start menu folder, let me check it is installed or not. Okay, it is installed already. Okay, so if you are looking for the then click on finish option. If you are looking for this stack builder, this is a free actually, but we don't require. So I'll cancel this, and I'll complete this pgadmin4 installation. Okay, just okay, this is a setup we have. Let me open this. So select start menu folder. Click on this option so that it will create a start menu folder. Then click on next. Here you can see the particular setup is ready for install. Then click on install button. So that way guys, you can install your pre edition, like pre 15 edition PostgreSQL with the pgadmin4. Okay, I already installed, so I just cancel it. So that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then guys please like, share and subscribe. I'll also pasted this link in description box. You can take it from there and complete your installation. And in upcoming session, we'll discuss regarding the PG admin 4 related part. So the way you can create your database tables, and how you can performing the operation. This is another session. We will come up with a new session very soon. So stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much, guys. Have fun.